Hey everyone, today we are gonna learn why do we get old, the process of getting in aging time. So one reason is the food we intake, uh, like junk food like pizza, pasta and sandwiches. Then the drink we drink, like some people drink alcohol but not others, like we drink thumbs up, Pepsi, Cola, etc. Then the the industrial gases around us affects on our breathing system, so that is also gets intake. Now you know the main thing, like we are child, then we get into teenagers, then we are adults, and then we get old. Our aging process starts. So first I'm going to show you this mind map over here. Let's see first. First is telomere shortening, then DNA damage, gene expression errors, protein becomes less functional, cells don't die when they are supposed to, the body's energy production produce, the machinery malfunctions, inefficient cell communication, imbalanced metabolism, and stem cell exhaustion. Okay, so this is the mind map over here, and now I'm going to show this part. So now you can see this, you have maybe seen this structure called DNA. Now in DNA, the lines you can see colored line, which is called chromosomes, right over here. The chromosome has the telomere over here. So telomere, what is telomere? Are the protective caps of the end of each strand of the DNA. So this is one strand of the DNA where you have chromosomes, and chromosome has the telomere which protects the chromosomes. Okay. Now, so every time when cell replicates, chromosome becomes too small, and when it gets too small, it stops replicating and the cell dies. So now this part saying is that cell replicates at many times. Okay, many times, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, many times. Okay, but at the end it will over. So why does it over? The main reason is it replicates. Okay, you know that it increases, but each time when it replicates, the telomere gets small and small. Okay, so at the point telomere will end. So when that part telomere is ending chromosomes, the cell dies. Okay, and when cells die, they starts our aging process, because one cell die, then it infect to another, then they die, like that. Okay, when we get old, our immune is less powerful, so when any enemy cells come into our body, it gets confused between the both cells. You know our immune system. Now when any bacteria cell come in our body, the immune system is totally confused. It is because it is very weak, so they are confused between the enemy cell and our protective cells. So by mistakenly they hurt our protective cells sometimes. Okay, so when that happen, the old people get more diseases, then they have many problems. That is the main reason they have many problems when they get old. Okay, now no one knows that we can increase the life of our life. If we can increase the telomere, maybe we can increase our life. Okay, but I'm gonna give you one fact, that each and every body has cancer cells in it, also in me, also in you. Okay, cancer cells are alive in are there in the body, but when we increase them, sometime when we increase our telomere, the cancer cell will also get increased. Okay, so chances of getting cancer will be increased too. Okay, so we can work on it. Maybe you can be a scientist, maybe I can, and we can learn about how to increase but not the cancer cells. Okay, so we can meet in next video. For it, goodbye.